The crypto community has been significantly disrupted by a recent event, which has resulted in widespread concern, particularly among the Shiba Inu community. Some are even deciding to permanently leave. However, what if this disorder is actually concealing a valuable opportunity? While others are fleeing in terror, a small number of individuals may perceive this as the moment that could alter everything. Well, allow me to elaborate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. It appears that the Shiba Inu is currently experiencing the worst-case scenario. The market performance of the Shiba Inu indicates that the situation is not progressing as smoothly as anticipated. Shiba Inu has been falling behind its meme coin rival, Dogecoin, as evidenced by the most recent insights from Sentiment. Its trading returns have experienced a modest decline over the past 7 days. The larger picture appears to be somewhat more concerning, despite the fact that the 7-day average has only decreased by approximately 1%, which may not be alarming at first glance. Is the Shiba Inu team merely anticipating the appropriate instant to execute their next maneuver? Or is there a more profound cause for this extended period of stagnation? Given these figures, it is increasingly apparent that the Shiba Inu is encountering obstacles on its path to a significant recovery, and the market is beginning to experience the effects of these obstacles. However, should this be an aspect that we should take into account in order to generate such concerns? Well, according to Sentiment, this drop has placed the token for prospective profits once Bitcoin maintains and altcoins recover speed. Nevertheless, these remain undeniable and substantial blows that are ultimately detrimental to the token. Therefore, what is the reason for this? In practical terms, the recent challenges faced by Shiba Inu are not solely related to market statistics. They are also bound to the community's activities. The social activity surrounding Shiba Inu has experienced a significant decline in 2024. Since late July, discussions regarding the coin have reached new lows, which is a clear indication of a decline in interest. Traders are experiencing an increasing level of frustration. As the excitement surrounding Shiba Inu has diminished, tiny individuals who were previously very active and enthusiastic have begun to withdraw. This transition has resulted in a situation in which the coin's support and confidence are diminished due to a lack of enthusiasm and discussions. It is a difficult situation for Shiba Inu, as the challenges it is already experiencing in the market are being exacerbated by the reduced community engagement. Therefore, these changes in investor sentiment and social dynamics can be closely associated with the inquiry of why this is occurring. However, what is the ultimate outcome of this? Is it going to be the final straw for the Shiba Inu? The Shiba Inu situation is not inherently a fatal setback for the token. Although the present challenges are substantial, the future remains uncertain. In contrast to other meme currencies such as Dogecoin, certain crypto experts maintain that Shiba Inu may still have the potential to recover. It is intriguing that recent reports indicate a change in the investor landscape of Shiba Inu. Retail merchants' signs of alleviation have been observed in those who possess lesser quantities. The entire supply is now composed of a reduced proportion of wallets with fewer than 1 billion Shiba Inu. This is the lowest point since November 2022, suggesting that a significant number of minor holders have withdrawn from the market. Subsequently, pouches that contain more than 1 billion Shiba Inu have emerged as the dominant type. Sentiment emphasizes that this transition is indicative of the significant uncertainty, dread, and doubt that are currently affecting the Shiba Inu ecosystem. However, that is not the sole piece of terrible news we have received regarding the Shiba Inu. Just when we believed that the situation could not get any worse, a new report has emerged regarding a significant security breach. According to Slowmist, a blockchain security firm, Shiba Inu's issues appear to be accumulating. A significant security vulnerability has affected the Indodax exchange, the oldest and largest exchange in Indonesia. The seizure of $22 million worth of a variety of cryptocurrencies, including a substantial amount of Shiba Inu, was the outcome of this attack. Adding to the already concerning news for the Shiba Inu token, the intruder made off with 9 billion tokens. This further complicates its recuperation journey, exacerbating the obstacles it already encounters. Subsequent to the significant security compromise, there has been an additional development that complicates the situation. The perpetrator accountable for the theft has already converted the majority of the stolen coins into safer assets, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, according to the analytics platform LookOnChain. This implies that the perpetrator no longer possesses the 9 billion Shiba Inu tokens that were stolen from Indodax. The Shiba Inu price was not adversely affected, which is a pleasant surprise. The quick market impact may be less severe than anticipated due to the conversion of the stolen Shiba Inu tokens from the token itself. Although the security breach serves as a cautionary tale for the crypto community, the long-term prospects of Shiba Inu remain viable, as the market is experiencing a decrease in the number of tokens and security protocols are being continuously enhanced. Therefore, refrain from incurring losses. I am optimistic. This is by no means the conclusion of the Shiba Inu's existence. In reality, there is still a significant amount of optimism regarding the future of the Shiba Inu, and these recent occurrences may represent the most advantageous opportunity in a long time. According to recent commentary from crypto expert Lola, the acquisition of millions of Shiba Inu tokens at their current, reduced prices may represent a lucrative opportunity. Lola emphasizes that this opportunity to become a millionaire with the Shiba Inu is comparable to the early days of Dogecoin prior to its significant price increase. Lola contends that the opportunity to accumulate wealth through Dogecoin at reduced prices has expired. However, the Shiba Inu is currently offering a comparable opportunity. Although the recent setbacks and turbulence may be discouraging, they are also a component of the broader crypto landscape. The concept is that purchasing Shiba Inu tokens at this time could result in substantial gains during the subsequent bull run. This expert advice implies that the current situation is not the conclusion, despite the fact that Shiba Inu has encountered some challenging circumstances recently. Alternatively, it may be merely establishing the foundation for a potential reversal. Despite its significance, the recent turbulence could be perceived as merely a temporary setback, rather than a cause for dismay. Although both Shiba Inu and Doge would require extraordinary price increases to achieve millionaire status, the claim is that Shiba Inu's current lesser price may provide a more favorable entry point for future gains. Again, Lola's analysis indicates that Shiba Inu may be a viable option for those who are positive about the upcoming significant bull run, despite the recent fluctuations. In addition to the increasing optimism, recent reports indicate that a substantial turnaround may be imminent, despite the recent setbacks. Even more encouraging is the increase in trading activity that has occurred today. Do you recall our discussion regarding the significant decrease in activity? In the event that the situation undergoes a significant change today, the trading volume of Shiba Inu has increased by 60% in the past 24 hours, reaching $514 million. This increase in volume suggests that traders are beginning to return to the market, purchasing Shiba Inu at these lower prices in anticipation of future gains. Furthermore, the market capitalization of Shiba Inu has increased by nearly 1% to nearly $10.7 billion, which is indicative of the renewed interest in the company. This increase in trading and market capitalization indicates that investors are increasingly confident despite the recent obstacles. This renewed market activity might encourage a more major comeback for Shiba Inu in the near future, as they are likely viewing the current decline as an opportunity. Therefore, despite the fact that there has been a significant amount of turmoil, these recent developments may indicate that things are beginning to improve. The minor price rebound and increased trading volume may serve as preliminary indicators of a more substantive recovery that is imminent. However, what is the reason for their abrupt purchase? Lucy recently shared an intriguing perspective on the potential impact of different months on the crypto market, emphasizing the reasons for specific declines and movements. This tweet suggests that every month has a unique, distinctive crypto mood. And October, which is known as Uptober, is notorious for causing significant disruptions in portfolios and visions. The pattern of this month appears to be consistent with the recent turbulence that Shiba Inu has been experiencing. This broader trend, which has historically been characterized by substantial setbacks in September, may be contributing to the precipitous declines in market challenges. It is important to acknowledge that these patterns are a component of the cyclical nature of cryptocurrencies, despite the challenging circumstances. Looking ahead, the forthcoming months may present new opportunities, such as October, which could provide a much-needed stimulus. It is important to remember that the Shiba Inu experienced its all-time highs during this month. The historical patterns of September indicate that downturns are to be anticipated, and it is crucial to bear in mind that these market declines are a natural occurrence in the crypto landscape. However, what is your perspective on that matter? Please leave a comment below. I am anxious to hear your perspective.